Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's winter weather update. So, we're going to start to see our freezing rain develop tonight across central and southern Missouri, northeastern Oklahoma around 7 p.m. Eastern or Central Standard Time. And as we go through the overnight, freezing rain is going to spread across the southern half of Missouri, southern Illinois, northeast Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas by around midnight Central Standard Time tonight. Going into tomorrow morning, we're going to be seeing freezing rain across northwest Arkansas through southeastern Missouri into southern Illinois. And this is where the Texas ice storm is going to begin. Around 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, we're going to start seeing light freezing rain across areas of West Texas. And going through the day tomorrow, by around noon, we're going to be seeing a wave of heavy freezing rain move across Oklahoma City into northwestern Arkansas. And then we're going to be seeing a freezing rain move across the Dallas-Fort Worth area around 4 to 6 o'clock tomorrow afternoon Central Time. This is going to go into the evening and overnight as we get a large area of light freezing rain across central Texas, the hill country, and the northwest Texas by around 1 a.m. Tuesday morning Central Standard Time, with freezing rain moving into Tennessee, Kentucky, and eastern Arkansas. Now, with regards to Texas, the freezing line is going to be very tricky. So, areas such as Dallas, Fort Worth, you guys are going to be guaranteed a heavy icing event. So, make sure you prepare. But for areas like Waco and Austin, you guys are going to be right on the edge of this ice. So make sure you're monitoring the weather very closely if you live from San Marcos through Austin through Waco. You could be seeing either rain or freezing rain in the Austin and Waco area by Tuesday morning. Going into Tuesday mid morning, we could be seeing a round of very heavy freezing rain move across the hill country through Waco into Dallas. And then this freezing rain is going to spread into northern Arkansas around noon Tuesday and move into Tennessee. So looking at the freezing rain accumulations in the HRRR model, the first model we're looking at, this model is putting very significant ice totals from the hill country up I-35 through Dallas into southeast Oklahoma through northern Arkansas and western Tennessee. Widespread ice accumulations in these areas between 1/10 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch, with many areas seeing up to 1/3 of an inch from west of Waco through the Dallas-Fort Worth area into northwestern Arkansas. Some isolated areas could be seeing up to 1/2 an inch of ice. So this is going to be likely causing some scattered power outages and very treacherous driving conditions for tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So make sure that you are very careful and only drive if you absolutely have to drive uh, in these areas. Now, looking at the NAM-NEST model, uh, first we're going to be timing out with the NAM-NEST model, the ice storm. So the NAM-NEST model through tonight has some light freezing rain moving into southern Missouri, northwest Arkansas, southern Illinois tonight as well. And then going to Monday morning, we see light freezing rain. And this model has sleet moving across southern Oklahoma by tomorrow morning, freezing rain across the hill country through north central Texas. And then going into Monday afternoon, the light freezing rain and sleet continues from Texas through Oklahoma through Arkansas. And then going into the overnight Monday, Tuesday morning, the NAM-NEST has the freezing line getting through Austin and Waco, and then has freezing rain all across the Austin metro area through Waco Tuesday morning, and this continues through Tuesday afternoon. If the NAM-NEST model verifies, we could be seeing an ice storm in Austin, even as far east as Bryan College Station, Waco, and Tyler on Tuesday. And then the ice spreads into northeast Texas Tuesday night into southern Arkansas and Tennessee on Wednesday. And looking at the freezing rain accumulations in the NAMNES model, this is also putting a corridor of a quarter of an inch to a third of an inch of ice further southeast. So if the NAMNES verifies, we could be seeing as much as a tenth to a quarter of an inch of ice in the Austin metro area, up I-35, through the Waco area, through Tyler, through northeast Texas, into central Arkansas, into Tennessee. And then going even further out, because we have to look at Wednesday as well, as we're still going to be dealing with ice. First of all, the NAM model, North American model, puts the ice in central Texas as well, through central Arkansas into Tennessee. But looking at the timing of the event, we see Tuesday the ice, and then we see another round of ice on Wednesday potentially across areas of central and west Texas before transitioning over to rain. So make sure you're monitoring the weather very closely if you live in the Austin, Waco areas over the next few days, as you guys are going to be right on the dividing line of this. And make sure you're preparing for a crippling ice storm if you live in Dallas, areas like Little Rock, Memphis, through Nashville even. So thanks for watching this evening's winter weather update. Stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.